How to install an oak threshold, this video. Okay, so this bevel here is, you need to cut this back and flush. So I'm going to cut it back to about there. Okay, so I'm going to cut that back, and now I'm going to install the threshold. Okay, so I'm going to put this threshold in. I sanded it off. It's right there. And I'm going to put some finish nails through it, but I'm going to drill it first. So that, because if you try and, unless you've got one of those, a nail gun, if you try and drill through that, you put a nail through that, you might split it because it's oak. So you want to drill it first and then put the nail in. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so you want to use finish nails to install the oak threshold. You want to make sure that you drill a hole, a pilot hole for the finish nail before you put the nail through. If you have a finished nail gun, usually you're not going to need to do that. But if you're going to be doing it manually, then you need to drill first. Otherwise, you could split the oak. So drill through the oak, but make sure that you don't drill through the subfloor, because you want the nail to grab something below the oak threshold. If you don't have the right size drill bit, a lot of time you can just cut the head off a finish nail and use the finish nail as a drill bit. Nailing your finish nails in, making sure that you don't mar the surface of the threshold, and then you're going to get a nail set and punch them below the surface of the threshold, and then fill it with a wood filler that matches the color of your oak. In this case, I'm going to be using an oak wood filler because I sanded this before I installed it, so that I wouldn't have to do that while it was installed. I can now use just a utility razor to scrape off excess and make sure that the filler is flush with the wood, and then I can give it a coat urethane. If you get the chance to pre-finish it before you install it, that's a good idea, but a lot of times you don't have that option. So in this case, I'm going to be giving it a coat today after I just finished the tile floor and I'm installing the oak threshold, and then tomorrow I'll give it a second coat after I finish grouting.